Lyme Bay and the surrounding countryside were chosen for the trials because the area is close to Portland Naval Base, and onshore winds can be obtained with any wind direction from 100 degrees through south to 300 degrees. A suitable control site was found at Fleet, which is only 6 miles from the naval base and 60 miles from Portland. The method of conducting the trials was for a small ship to lay a crosswind line source of bacteria in the path of an onshore wind. As the cloud drifted inland and over the surrounding countryside, it was sampled by mobile sampling stations. The line source was between 5 and 20 miles long, and it was sampled at distances of up to 40 miles downwind. The trials were controlled by radio from the control site, and, if necessary, through a radio relay station suitably positioned on a high hill. At the end of the trials, the samples were brought back to the mobile laboratory at the control site for assessment. Of particular interest is the viability of the organisms contained in particles capable of penetrating into the trachea and lung, that is, those organisms in particles less than 6 microns in size. At the first station, the viability of organisms in particles less than 6 microns in diameter was 89%. At the second, 96%. At the third, 74%. At the fourth, 59%. And at the fifth, 22%. Whilst these trials were designed for specific research purposes, they demonstrated in a striking way the feasibility of small-scale biological warfare. An appreciable dose of viable bacteria was achieved over an area greater than 1,000 square miles by the release of only 120 gallons of suspension.